Hello everyone, once again welcome to my channel. I'm your Dharan. I'm going to talk about Taiwan. Let's start. Taiwan is a fascinating country with a rich history, unique culture, delicious food, and friendly people. Let me give you an overview of the country. History. Taiwan's history can be traced back to 4000 BC when Austronesian people first settled on the island. Throughout its history, Taiwan has been ruled by various empires, including the Dutch, Spanish, and Japanese. After World War II, Taiwan was returned to China but has been governed separately since 1949 when the Chinese Civil War ended, and the Republic of China, ROC, relocated to Taiwan. Culture. Taiwanese culture is a blend of indigenous, Chinese, and Japanese influences. Taiwanese people are known for their hospitality, politeness, and kindness. The most popular religions in Taiwan are Buddhism, Taoism, and Confucianism. Language. The official language of Taiwan is Mandarin Chinese, but Hokkien, Hakka, and indigenous languages are also spoken. Food. Taiwanese food is known for its diverse flavors and unique dishes. Some of the most famous Taiwanese dishes include beef noodle soup, stinky tofu, bubble tea, oyster omelette, and pineapple cake. People. Taiwanese people are friendly and welcoming to visitors. They are also highly educated and hardworking. Famous places. Taiwan has many famous places that attract visitors from all over the world. Here are some of the most popular. Taipei 101, a towering skyscraper in Taipei that was once the tallest building in the world. Taroko Gorge, a breathtaking natural wonder of steep cliffs, waterfalls, and winding rivers. Sun Moon Lake, a scenic lake located in the central mountains of Taiwan, surrounded by lush forests and stunning mountain scenery. Jiufen Old Street, a charming old street filled with traditional tea houses, souvenir shops, and street food vendors. Kenting National Park, a popular beach destination located at the southern tip of Taiwan, known for its clear waters and coral reefs. Alishan National Scenic Area, a mountainous region famous for its sunrise views, sea of clouds, and ancient cypress trees. National Palace Museum, a world-renowned museum in Taipei that houses a vast collection of ancient Chinese art and artifacts. Shilin Night Market, one of the most famous night markets in Taipei, known for its street food, clothing, and souvenirs. Tainan, the oldest city in Taiwan, known for its rich history, ancient temples, and delicious cuisine. Yangmingshan National Park, a volcanic mountain range located just outside of Taipei, known for its hot springs, hiking trails, and scenic views. Currency and exchange. The currency of Taiwan is the new Taiwan dollar, TWD. Visitors can exchange foreign currency at banks, airports, and hotels. Tourism. Taiwan is a popular tourist destination, known for its natural beauty, unique culture, and delicious food. Some popular activities for tourists include visiting night markets, exploring temples, hiking in national parks, and soaking in hot springs. Safety. Taiwan is considered a safe country with a low crime rate. Night. How to visit and visa process. Visitors to Taiwan can enter without a visa for up to 90 days, depending on their nationality. If you plan to stay longer, you can apply for a visa at a Taiwanese embassy or consulate. To visit Taiwan, you can fly directly to Taipei or take a connecting flight from another Asian city. You can also enter by ferry from mainland China, Hong Kong, or Japan. Weather. Taiwan has a subtropical climate, with hot and humid summers and mild winters. The best time to visit Taiwan is in the spring, March to May, or fall, September to November, when the weather is pleasant and there are fewer tourists. Thank you for watching. See you another video. Do not forget to like and subscribe.